Your Metapixel just stopped tracking conversions for your supplement ad. Not because your tracking is broken, because Meta flagged your product as health and wellness, and now your pixel is restricted. In this video, I'll explain Meta's 2026 health and wellness restrictions, what triggers them, and how to fix your tracking when you get hit. Hi, I'm Zubayer, a marketing attribution, conversion tracking, and server-side tracking specialist. I help e-commerce brands and supplement companies fix broken meta tracking when restrictive policies block their pixel. Today, Metapixel health and wellness restrictions in 2026. I'll show what categories are restricted, what happens when your pixel gets flagged, how to request an exemption, and the workaround most people don't know about. Meta has strict advertising policies for health, wellness, and medical products. These policies extend to tracking, meaning your pixel can get restricted even if your ads are approved. What products are affected? Supplements, weight loss products, health monitoring devices, and over-the-counter medications. This also includes sexual wellness product, medical devices, CBD, and even tobacco or vaping product. If Meta detects you are selling any of these products, they can restrict your pixel's ability to track purchase and add to cart events. You lose the ability to use conversion data for ad optimization or building lookalike audiences based on purchasers. Your pixel still fires, events still sent to Meta, but Meta won't use that data for ad delivery or optimization. Your campaigns run blind. Meta doesn't manually review every product. They use automated systems to scan your website and product catalog. What triggers the restriction? First, product names and descriptions. If your titles contain restricted keywords, Meta flags it. Second, website content. If your pages mention medical conditions or show before/after photos, that's a trigger. Third, pixel events with product data. If your view content or purchase events send restricted keywords, Meta flags it. This also happens with catalog feed data if your product feed contains restricted categories. The scan happens automatically. You might run ads for months with no issues, then one day restricted. You will receive an email from Meta subject, action required, pixel restricted due to health and wellness policy. What you will lose? Purchase events won't optimize ad delivery, and you can't create lookalike audiences or run dynamic product ads. Your campaigns optimize on link clicks instead of conversions. Your tracking isn't broken, but Meta won't let you use the data. Meta allows exemptions for certain products like FDA-approved OTC meds, registered medical devices, and general wellness vitamins. To request an exemption, step 1, go to Business Settings and select your restricted pixel. Step 2, click Request Review on the restriction banner. Step 3, provide documentation like FDA certifications, ingredient lists, and proof of compliance. Step 4, explain your use case clearly, stating your products comply with regulations and do not make unsubstantiated claims. Step 5, submit and wait. Meta review usually takes 2 to 5 business days. If denied, the restriction stays. But if you are stuck, you have one option left, the workaround. The workaround, custom conversion events. You can create custom events that Meta doesn't automatically flag. Step 1, stop using the standard purchase event. Disable it in your pixel code or GTM. Step 2, create a new event with a generic name like complete order or transaction complete. Step 3, fire the custom event on your order confirmation page using GTM or direct pixel code. Step 4, create a custom conversion in Meta Events Manager using your new generic event. Step 5, use this custom conversion in your campaigns. Meta now optimizes for order complete instead of purchase. This works because custom events don't trigger the same automatic keyword scanner as the standard purchase event. Advanced strategy, use Meta CAPI to bypass restrictions. Server-side tracking is less likely to get flagged. With CAPI, Meta doesn't scan your website content as aggressively and you control exactly what data gets sent. You can sanitize event parameters in your server container to remove restricted keywords before they reach Meta. Disable browser-based purchase events and send them only via CAPI for maximum protection. Best practices. Clean up your website copy, remove exaggerated claims, and use complaint descriptions like metabolic support. Get your certifications ready and implement CAPI from day 1 to avoid restrictions before they even happen. One supplement brand saw its cost per purchase drop by 60% after implementing the workaround. Another saw ROAS jump from 1.8 to 4.2. If your Metapixel is restricted and you don't know how to fix it, I offer a free 30-minute audit to review your setup. You can reach out via WhatsApp or book a call using the link in the description to get started. Subscribe for more weekly tracking tutorials. Don't scale ads with broken tracking. Fix the infrastructure first.